Is it time to buy or sell GRRR Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore GRRR Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of September, 2025, our system has ranked GRRR Technology Group as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 10.27%, since we initially designated GRRR Technology Group as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.28% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The stock currently rests at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A break above the upper trend line at $20.64 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the first signs of a potential trend shift. Analyzing the current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of negative 18.42% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 44.62% to negative 16.09%. In terms of the longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 44.82%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 20.43% to 263.40% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $24.17 and $72.93. Our latest daily update for GRRR Technology Group features the headline, "Volatile Ride for GRRR Technology Group Incorporated Stock Price on Wednesday, moving between $17.50 and $21.48. The stock price of GRRR Technology Group Incorporated increased by 13.13% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, rising from $17.74 to $20.07. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 22.74%, with a daily low at $17.50 and a daily high of $21.48. The price has risen on 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 18.83% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 10 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 10 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $210.33 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $44.15, while the lowest was $3.33. Currently, the price stands 54.54%, or $24.08, below the 52-week high, and 96.6%, or $489.93, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of July, 2022, when the price hit $510. GRRR Technology, ticker GRRR, is back in the spotlight after a series of contract wins, improved finances, and an analyst upgrade. Today, the company announced a 3-year deal worth $1.4 billion with Freyr Singapore to establish an artificial intelligence data center backbone across Southeast Asia, starting with a Phase 1 investment of $300 million in the fourth quarter of 2025. This follows recent multi-million-dollar contracts in government and lawful interception for 5th-generation technology, with a growing backlog estimated to exceed $70 million for 2026. Revenue for the first half of the year stands at approximately $39.3 million, representing an increase of about 90% year over year, along with a $105 million equity raise that has reduced debt and enhanced liquidity. Analysts highlight a strategic shift towards higher-margin software and services, as well as scalable artificial intelligence infrastructure work. In the short term, the announcement regarding Freyr and clarity on the backlog should boost sentiment and encourage buying as revenue visibility improves. However, shares may respond to potential dilution from the recent equity raise and risks associated with execution or timing on large infrastructure projects. Over the long term, successful project delivery could significantly expand revenue, enhance margins, and support higher valuation multiples. Conversely, any delays, cost overruns, or regulatory and geopolitical challenges linked to government surveillance initiatives could impact profitability and valuation negatively. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned GRRR a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was noted that Loop Capital Markets rated GRRR as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 8th of April, 2024, Alliance Global Partners again gave GRRR a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned GRRR Technology Group stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for GRRR Technology Group. The chart reveals mostly positive signals today. The stock of GRRR Technology Group Inc. displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is evident from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at values of $18.28 and $17.22. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, August 7, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 27.59%. Continued upward movement is forecasted until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal originating from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 29 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 99 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for GRRR Technology Group. The GRRR Technology Group Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $19.89. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upwards reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with decent trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. In the previous day, the stock fluctuated $3.98 between its high and low, representing a change of 22.74%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 7.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for GRRR Technology Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established firms can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 25 cents. Keep a close watch on these numbers, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for GRRR Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for GRRR Technology Group is at $20.40. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, GRRR Technology Group encounters its first support level at $19.89. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $19.39, which represents a decrease of 3.38%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The relative strength index over a 14-day period is 81, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 28 days ago. Is GRRR Technology Group's stock a good buy? GRRR Technology Group Inc. presents several positive indicators. Although the stock is currently in a declining trend, we believe it remains a favorable option at this time. We anticipate that GRRR Technology Group Inc. stock will show strong performance over the next 3 months. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy recommendation. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 18th of September, we expect GRRR Technology Group to open lower by 38 cents, starting at $19.68. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.